To change the language on your Garmin Forerunner 55, press and hold the up button to reach the menu, then press it again to reach the bottom of the page and enter into System with the Start-Stop button. From here you're able to select Language, and then you can select the language you want from this list. Actually, I'm going to select French, and then once you select it, well, it just switch to language. So if I go back to the menu, now you can see that the menu is all in French. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.